Jacoby, do you like the mobile? Jacoby's just over 2 months old. He loves the mobile. Hey, buddy. Jacoby. Where's Jacoby? Where is he? Is he reading a story? I'm reading a story. Yes, I am, in my giant book. Hi. Hi, Betty. Can you smile? Pretty excited about the swing? Huh? Pretty excited? Oh, the bears, yeah. Woo, look at those guys. They're crazy cool. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You probably fall asleep in there, huh? Huh. Alright, well, I'll let you take a nap. Good night. You talking? Are you talking? Is it real ticklish? Are you a little ticklish? Hi, buddy. Nice, very cute. We'll have to clean that up now, won't we? Hi, baby. Are you just cheesing? Yeah? Let's wipe your face off. Let's wipe your face off. Hi! Are you grinning? Are you talking? Well, isn't that a cute face? Yeah, that's just a cute face. You have a little doggy on your shirt? Do you have a little doggy? Look at those toes. Little tiny feet. Chubby little tiny feet.